Hi, and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're doing a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. The boat is powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury outboard. It carries 12 gallons of fuel, has a swim ladder up in the bow, or option for a full bow cushion, which makes for a great seating area. The boat has a split bow rail. It makes it real easy to get on and off the beach or a little sandbar that you might go on. The boat also has a great option for dry storage. You can put your belongings in here. This little area is completely sealed from water. You put a cell phone in there, wallet, etc. Nice size cooler. You can also add a bimini. The boat is offered at MarineMax of Westbrook, 627 Boston Post Road, 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.